Welcome to our tutorial on creating a spline. Let's start by inserting a sketch. Right-click. Now we'll activate the Spline tool. And let's create our spline. Here's my last point. Let's right-click and select End Spline. Now we'll use the Fully Dimensioned Sketch tool to constrain the spline points. For the horizontal dimension scheme, let's choose Chain. Click OK. Right-click. What we've constrained at this point are the spline points. When I click on a spline point, I get a spline handle. Now I can manipulate the points using the spline handles. The point and end of the spline handles lets you adjust the tangency, magnitude, and tangency directional vectors. If you hold down the Alt key and manipulate the spline handles, they move symmetrically. The arrows let us adjust the tangency. Once again, if I hold down the Alt key, I can manipulate them symmetrically. The diamonds let us adjust directional vectors. After you're done manipulating the handles, we can apply dimensions. Let's enter a value of 75 millimeters. Click OK. We can apply angular dimensions as well. I'll enter a value of 15 degrees here. OK. Now our handle is black. We, of course, can still manipulate the spline handles at different points. Let's click OK at this point and exit the sketch. And this concludes our tutorial on creating a spline. In the next couple tutorials, we'll be picking up more on splines.